Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the new 11-inch iPad Pro with the M1 processor in it. So you can see this is a open box item from Best Buy. These are supposed to be $800 new. This one was $744, kind of a weird price. So it's like $744 from Best Buy. It's an open box in excellent condition here. Open it on up, and here we go. Try to get out of here without destroying it. I'm not even sure what color this one is. Okay, so this is the gray. We'll come back to the beautiful thing in a moment here. Of course, you have your paperwork. Wow, this actually looks brand new. You have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And then you have the adapter here as well. Let's see if we can see what size this is, wattage this is. It is a 20-watt charger. Alright, so we all know that's the most exciting, right? Alright, let's actually into the iPad here. So again, this is the 11-inch. Camera's not liking that. Alright, I'm gonna plug this in and we'll do a setup here. Alright, so I plugged it in, it turns on right away. We're going to do English, United States. Yeah, we're just set up manually. We'll connect to my Wi-Fi, I'll be right back. Alright, then it says it'll take a few moments to activate your iPad, which it did. Now we're going to data and privacy. We're almost set Face ID up later here. Then you can do a passcode. I always just skip this. Usually don't have anything too important on my iPads. Don't need to use that. And then apps and data. Then your Apple ID here. Alright, then once you get through the Apple, signing into Apple, mine was having issues. I still need to do it later in settings. It's giving me some issues here. Once you do that, it'll give you the express settings, or you can customize them. We're just going to do that. You can keep it up to date. You can use Siri if you want. Next is screen time. So you can set time limits for your apps and whatnot. So if you have kids that are using it all the time, you can make it so where they want to use it for a certain amount of time, set amount of time. And then you have your app analytics if you want to share it with developers or not. Next is true tone. You guys probably can't really tell much difference in this video. Then we have light or dark. I always like the dark. And then we have your welcome to iPad. Alright, so there we go. So if you guys want to delete anything, of course just click and hold. So like I'm going to get rid of stocks, get rid of news, Apple TV. I'm surprised it lets you delete all this stuff. Podcasts I don't use, books can stay, maps, whatever. I don't need contacts on iPad. Reminders, FaceTime I don't use. I hit the wrong thing. Let's see though. Well, anytime if you hit the button, or excuse me, hit the screen that's not on one of the buttons here, and if you're off by a tiny bit, it's going to. Okay, I give up. It's going to do that. Then you also have shortcuts. You also delete them that way. Tips, iTunes Store, and Photo Booth. I'm really surprised they let you delete all this stuff. Of course, you can drag and drop, move it wherever you want, or you want to combine things, just hold them above each other. It should combine. Okay, I really do not want home. There we go. And then down here you have your main widgets there. I don't use messages on an iPad, so I don't need that. I'm not going to be using music too much on here. I don't really need the files on there. I will take the App Store though and see how good this camera is. Or not, because it doesn't want to put it on there for me. There we go. And like I said, the App Store. Yeah, there we go. Let's see how quick this is real fast here. So I always think Best Buy is one of the best websites to use for speed tests because it's a pain in the butt to use on things that just do not have fantastic processors in them. This has the M1 in it. Oh, whoops. While using app. I do not care. Get out of my way. Alright, so from their iPad Pro. So again, this has the M1 processor. So it should be pretty quick here. And it should load in everything. Yeah, that's pretty dang fast. That's pretty ridiculously fast. And this should be the fastest iPad or tablet around, basically. So that'll be the end of this video. Stay tuned for many more videos to come. We're going to do speed tests. We're going to do probably some gaming tests on this, and we'll do some comparisons. The biggest one I'm excited about is comparing this to my Samsung Tab S7 Plus. That is the best Android tablet you can buy at the moment. So we'll see. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Goodbye.